Right, assalamu alaikum everyone, and Pepe is still on a consolidation mode, and yes, we're having a funny candles, one red, one green, one red, one green, one red, one green, so pretty much a sideways, nothing else, right? Just a boring consolidation. As I said before, you have the upper resistance like this, and you also have the sideways area, so I'm pretty sure that we are still waiting until 7th of January, and 7th of January is going to be quite an important date, or maybe even before that, because that's the maximum time I'm looking forward to wait. So yes, EMAs is crawling up. You can see last time you made consolidation, you were still back testing the 55 EMA, and then all of a sudden you started to push up once again. Ever since you came down to the 55, you had a nice good response to the upside. Again, you're coming down, you're holding the 55, so you may just continue on like this, and let's bring in this 55 as well, and boom, right? So you come to the junction of 7, 8, 9 January or stuff like that, and this triangle really is going to determine where you push for good, because if you start to break down like this, we may actually see Pepe coming to 10,000, right? Be very realistic. Just balance every single scenario, because by the end of the day, it's crypto. You cannot say it's up or it's down. All you can do is open up the charts and try to figure out how the future will be looking like, okay? And if it does come down, I won't be surprised, because again, it's a coin that has pumped for quite some time. It's up almost 130%. So if it ever decides, if crypto does get a little bit bearish, because everyone is quite comfortable at the moment, you know, that also kind of bothers me. I mean, when it comes down to the market psychology, you can see that everyone is pretty safe. Everyone is feeling safe, like crypto is moving to the upside. Every coin is pretty much pumping. People have forgotten that crypto may actually even go down. So it's just a reality check. And I'm not saying anything about Pepe. Honestly, I don't know. All I can say is wait until maybe maximum 7 January, and let's see what happens. Maybe a happy new year comes in and you start to see, boom, happy new year, right? Everything starts to go up. You get a nice good holiday gift right there. And that's it for the video. I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.